Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Snapchat video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new compass feature, which is pretty creepy. Okay, so here we are on Snapchat. To use the new compass feature, let's go ahead and swipe over to our chats. So here's our list of chats. Sorry, whoever I blasted for screen recording. It happens. I didn't mean to do that. But as you know, some people have their maps feature enabled, so you can see where they're at on the map. A lot of your friends probably have this enabled. So here's the new feature that you can do. We're just going to tap on Ryan on the top and you'll see that he's on a map. And if you look at this circle at the top, you'll see this new feature. And I'm going to tilt my phone. So I'm tilting my phone and you see that arrow going around. So if I point in the direction that he is, it's going to highlight. And it's actually going to vibrate my phone. So that's kind of creepy. So you can point your phone and it's going to show where the person is at, like which direction. So if you're in a nearby location, you can actually just point your phone and walk towards that person. So this could be a very creepy situation if there's like someone that's looking for you that you don't want to talk to. So make sure that your maps are like only enabled for the people that you want to have your location, that you want to be able to find you. It could also be helpful in a situation where there's like one of your friends, maybe you're at a busy place or a store or a festival or something. You could both turn on your Snapchat, just point your phone and then walk towards each other until you see each other. So there you have it. Pretty crazy feature, to be honest. Remember, to use this, all you have to do is tap on their name. It's automatically going to appear on the top now. You can swipe between this to get their story and their avatar. Just rotate your phone. It's going to show you exactly which direction they're in. So I'm in South Carolina. This person is in Michigan. And Michigan is that way. So there you have it, the brand new compass feature on Snapchat. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Is this useful? Is this creepy? Is this like too much? Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one or more tutorials on Snapchat. There's hundreds of them on the channel, so you can check out the Snapchat playlist. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go high.